Good morning. This is a beautiful Sunday. So today I have a quick shoot in Governor Island, which I'm really excited about. So today we're shooting for a new paper. Probably we're gonna be there for about half of the day. It's my first time going to Governor Island. It's only open during summer. Now we are walking through Times Square to cut the train. Sunday train in New York City is really crazy in a way like the train is gonna be slower. This is my morning routine on a Sunday. Earlier morning, Times Square is really quieter. Eventually, I think like by 12 p.m. Times Square is gonna be packed with people. So now let's go to the subway. I'm gonna take the R train to go to South Ferry. All I have to do is just use my phone and then tap into this. I am good to go. We just got in here. The train is gonna be approaching in just a minute. Let me flip the camera so we can see. Let's go. Now we are passing through Union Square, but we need to get to Rector Street. We still have 7 more stops to go. The train stopped me at the wrong stations. Due to it's like Sunday, so they stopped me at one train. So I got in with the N&R train. The MTA changing their schedule for track maintenance during the weekends and at night. I have a little spare time to go, so therefore I'm just gonna walk around and looking at the GPS to find my way to get to the destinations. This is Sunday morning at South Ferry, where everything is really quiet still because it is a Sunday. This is where people are going to see the Statue of Liberty. This is the station that we're going for Governor Island. This is the entrance where we're waiting for the ferry to go in. There is a coffee shop over here if anybody needs a coffee. Get the ticket for 9 a.m. At the ticket. So since it's Sunday until 12 p.m. we can ride for free. The ferry is letting people up right now. So I'm just gonna walk up and get to Governor Island. Leaving Manhattan now. On the other side, the Staten Island ferry is also leaving at the same time, but they go to the different directions. Surprisingly, it's a really quick ride. We are approaching to the Governor Island. Now we are getting off. You can bring your stroller, you can bring your bicycle, so you can bike around. Just got to the destinations. The restaurant is over here, so we are going to shoot at this locations for today. Morning. Hi guys. Nice to meet you.
This is my mama girl.
Hi, I'm Markphong. Just give me a hug.
Sandra.
Nice to meet you, Sandra.
Hi.
I miss you, baby. We have Nicole and Lexi here. Oh my God. All the ladies looking so beautiful.
So ready for today. Thank you. I can't wait.
This is our main talent. She's gonna be a star for today, and we are all here just for Crystal. And thank you for being here. This is before they open. Now the whole team is still waiting to set up. Everybody is just sitting over there at the corner. I have T here with me. We've been working together for so many projects together. She is one of the amazing hairstylists and also makeup artists in New York City. We actually found a bug on Crystal hair.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Well, it's okay. This is a Governor Island, so we're just
that
gonna...
is not lice. That is not lice.
It is not lice.
No, it's not.
Yes. We're going to just release the bugs
What's its
outside
name?
to the window.
What's its name? You have to give it a name.
I don't know. Q-bug.
Cute bug,
Yeah,
cutie.
just like us.
Bye, cutie.
Bye-bye.
That looks like a good look to me. What do you think?
Wait, that's enough about the
Before
bug
Q bug
story.
interrupted.
Yes, that's enough. So I am going to start my makeup, but before starting my makeup, I'm gonna put it into a time lapse, so that's where you don't have to like see the whole entire process at this moment.
Makeup.
And the hair.
Yes, Daddy.
Let me just turn over so everybody can see. The hair looks so good.
Thank you. The makeup looks good too, baby.
Everything look amazing. She looked beautiful first, so. And this is the clothes she's gonna wear. with beautiful Lexi and Nicole getting ready for the clothes. I have Steven here, so he's gonna take picture for today. Absolutely amazing, and can't wait for you guys to see the shot. So now we got the talent ready. We're gonna get to the venue. She live in New York from the Bronx, and for her whole entire life, and she haven't
Never been here. It's my first time on Governor's Island.
The venue is already open, so a lot of people are trying to getting in here. Let me just show you guys the venue for the shoot today. They have these little beds that you can sit and look over to the city. Look at the boat, it's just like really beautiful. We are approaching to this area where a lot of people usually sit for sunbathe, which remind me a lot in Tulum. There's a lot of beach house like this. Gitano also have it in Tulum and also Meze as well as Miami. So now it's just a lot of more people are showing up for Sunday brunch. And look at this, it's just so fun in here. And Crystal is also taking her picture.
Oh my god, it's just crazy. He's killing it.
Now we are moving the location to downstairs a little bit. Let's go do a little touch up on Crystal. Crystal is actually doing the second looks over there. I'm just gonna go over to see. This is the hair and the makeup look on Crystal. You just pose for me. She's just having fun, enjoy, and looking fabulous. Super stunning. That was a wrap. So we are done for the day. Now I am just going back to the restaurant to have a little lunch. This is getting more fun because it's reaching noon. So the restaurant open at noon. More and more people coming in for lunch since it's Sunday today. And our table is actually over there. This is our table. So we have some foods here, some guacamole, ceviche. Let's try a little potato. Dip it in. The sauce, everything is so amazing. It is just so good. Try some of these lobster. It's so good. I feel like we are actually on the vacation right now. Like we are actually in New York City, Tulum. Finally finished the lunch already. Now we're done with the shoot. Now we need to return the car. How much did we pay for the car? It's like 40 bucks for an hour. So different sizes. We can rent this in this island. You can rent this bike and also that bike for 40 bucks an hour, same price. Oh, look at him. I'm helping you, look! I'm doing my job too. It's not like I'm lazy. Look at him. Yes! We are finally making uphill. Hi! I have a little one too. What is going on over there?
It's a castle.
Oh, there's a castle over there too.
It's built in the 1800s.
Well, okay. All right. So we are just returning our car. Right now, you can also renting the city bikes here. There are a lot of like little house in here. Used to be the resident housing. Some people doing picnic down here. The only way for you to get to the Governor Islands is by taking a ferry. So the ferry is gonna take you back and forth, like they leaving every 30 minutes. On regular day, it's from 7 in the morning through 6 p.m. at the evening. Weekday, you pay $4 to get into the ferry back and forth. On the weekend, it is free until 12 p.m. but they open at 7 until 10 p.m. at night. Some of the housing in here, nobody live here. It's really green, everything is just green and super quiet. Also have garage. People are here for picnic. It's just so nice. There is a little party going on over there. Let's just go check it out. This is the ground plate in Governor Island. They build up the ground plate by the wood and others like a new materials. I think you have to pay for the like a donation to get in. No wonder it smells so good. It's actually lavender. I just got this jamu yada for $12. I really love Jambayada. We're having a great day here today. I have to head back to the ferry before my team leave me.